Hi there, I just wanted to jump on and tell you about Evie Nutrition's educational nutritional program that she runs 4 weeks at a time. It's called Eat Better, Feel Better. And not only does it make you eat better and feel better, it also helps you lose weight. So it was something that I tried last year. I did a 4 week program back in the summer last year, and I managed to lose over a stone, and I've managed to keep that off. Now, most diets that I've done in the past, many of you will probably feel the same, you end up yo-yoing and going back to where you started. But this one didn't do it for me, and it's the first time ever that I've actually had that situation. So I'm quite passionate about it. I'm going to go back on it again in September because I want to find out a little bit more. I want to dig a bit deeper. I want to try and counteract a couple of habits that have slightly slipped in, but not too badly compared to what they were before. But I just want to go back on and sort of do my 4 weeks and have a refresher and carry everything forward with me for the rest of my life again. So if you want to join, contact Evie at info@evienutrition.co.uk and she'll give you the information about it, and come with us on the journey. It's a 4 week program and we look forward to seeing you then.